finally, I wanted to explain another concept which is very important in the role of bookkeeper. It is true and fair view. So the objective of general purpose of financial reporting is to provide financial information about the reporting entity, company, that is useful to existing and potential investors, lenders, and other creditors, and making decision about providing resources to the entity. So when you enter all transactions into the bookkeeping system and you allocate those amounts or transactions to the nominal accounts, the collection of nominal accounts will be represented in the form of reporting or statements. There are three main statements that accountants use to file accounts. Of course, there are many more. However, we'll be looking into profit and loss, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows. And so representation of those three statements should be accurate. And that's why it's so important to us as bookkeepers to enter information accurately. This is the foundation of how accurate the financial statements would be in the future. So part 1 recap. We've learned what is bookkeeping. We know it's a process of recording transaction. Then we also know that bookkeeper's role is not limited to entering those transactions. We also need to reconcile the transactions to the bank, keep those records in paper or digital format, help with filing payroll or VAT. We also looked into business types. By now you should understand the difference between a sole trader and limited company. Also about private and public sector differences, what kind of job we'll be doing as a bookkeeper in those entities. We looked briefly into double entry system concept. We do know that it's minimum 2 parties in any business transactions. We also know that one side is debit and another side is credit. And we'll look more in details in the next chapter. And we also looked into true and fair view concept and importance of entering data accurately on bookkeeping system.